Do you know many people are having trouble with silencing the sound on their Panasonic microwave? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Activate the oven. Press the start pad once to activate the oven. Step 2. Restart the oven. If the door is opened or stop/reset pad is pressed, press start pad again to restart. Step 3. Pause cooking. To pause the cooking process, tap the stop/reset pad once. Tap again to cancel instructions. Step 4. Cancel after 6 minutes. If an operation is set without pressing start, the oven cancels it after 6 minutes. Step 5. Listen for beeps. The oven beeps twice between stages and 5 times at the end of any program. By following these steps, you should now be able to control the beeping sounds on your Panasonic microwave with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Panasonic users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.